Hi, this is the screen replacement tutorial for the MSI GF63 THIN. To start, open your laptop and place the screen resting on the table at around 90 degrees, and make sure you have something behind the keyboard to rest uh, the laptop and make sure it stands still while changing the screen. To remove the screen, there are no screws, so you don't need a screwdriver. This screen is glued with a double-sided tape, and in order to remove it easier, I used a blade, a razor blade, that normally used to clean the vitroceramic kitchen. So you can use these kind of razor blades or a standard knife. So to start removing the plastic cover from the screen, you have to start from one corner. I started from the upper right corner and inserted the razor blade to separate the double-sided tape from the screen. You have to do it very gently because this plastic is quite thin, and once you are able to insert your fingers, you can do it with your own hands without any knife or razor blade. Once you have removed the top of the plastic cover, you need to use a razor blade or a knife to separate the double-sided tape that there is in the bottom. There is quite a lot of tape, so you wanna cut it with a knife or with a razor blade to make sure you don't break the plastic cover at the bottom. Once the plastic cover is completely removed, you just need to remove the screen itself from the back cover of the laptop. So to do so, you can from the top of the screen, you can insert your fingers and apply a little bit of pressure because it's glued with double-sided tape as well from the sides, on the right side and on the left side. So you see how is it done in the next minutes. You can uh, lift a little bit the screen with the knife, and once you're able to place your fingers, you can start unsticking the screen from the cover very gently. When you have separated the screen from the cover, the last thing you've got to do is to unconnect the connector that it's secured with this barcode plastic cover. You can do with a knife, remove the plastic cover, and just by pulling, you can unconnect the connector. Now you are able to replace the screen, the broken screen, for a new one. I have bought my screen replacement in laptoplcdscreen.co.uk, and you can get in their website pretty much any screen you need for any laptop and brand. I give you the link in the description below as well. Next thing you want to do is to remove the double-sided tape that was already in the screen and replace it for a new double-sided tape. Once removed, clean with a cloth to remove the rest of the glue. I have used this good quality double-sided tape from the brand Theis. And now you just need to cut the double-sided tape to adjust the new screen exactly in the same places where it was originally glued. Now you want to remove the rest of the double-sided tape from the plastic cover and replace it for a new double-sided tape that will hold the new screen. Now that we have prepared both sides with double-sided tape, we are ready to place the new screen. You just take the new screen and plug the connector back in. You can just push it and make sure that once it's properly connected, you attach it with some tape. Once the screen is properly connected and the connector is secured with the tape, you're ready to place the screen in place and press gently against the double-sided tape to make sure it sticks well. After that, we are ready to remove the plastic cover of the screen because we won't touch it anymore. And we are ready to place back the front plastic cover by pressing with your fingers from one corner to the other. And your screen is ready to go.